Right, I completely forgot this channel existed up until yesterday, but it is Jamie's birthday, so we are going to go out for a little, I don't really know what, a little something. Right, we've made it to the place where we're going to give the bike a go. Met these lovely people. They're just walking their dog. I think they live just up the road, but no, they're nice enough. There is a camera van just along the main road down there that we went past, but we should be all right, hopefully. So we've got the bike gear. I've got the camera in the boot, so hopefully we'll get some nice pictures. But here she is. She's going strong so far. And yeah, I've got the little Gopro set up, so hopefully we'll get some decent footage, but we'll see. It should be a nice little day. After that, Dad decided to have a go up and down, riding it quite hard just to try it out because it's his first time riding a bike properly in about 2 years as well, since he sold his VFR a while ago. And then we started it, and it didn't sound very healthy. Just listen up.